Hello, it's Victoria from Coastal Themes, and today I'm showing you one of our very own Framer themes, which is available on the Framer Marketplace and also on our site, coastalthemes.com. We design premium themes for Ghost and Framer, and I'm super excited to be showing you Shingu, which is a theme we've designed for digital marketing agencies, digital design agencies, and even if you're not an agency and you are maybe a freelancer, or anyone else and you just want a site to showcase your services, have some testimonials, and highlight your case studies and maybe have a blog section, this might be the theme for you. All our Framer themes are fully responsive, and we also offer support to help you get this in place in your Framer. So you can see here we have a beautiful case study section, which is in line with our style of all our designs of all our themes so far. We love to harness the grid and then break the grid, and we have some great designers behind the scenes creating some beautiful themes for you guys. You can see here we have these services sections which click through to services pages. We have testimonials on a carousel, a pricing section, our blog section, a Q&A accordion, and finally our really lovely sleek footer. We have a call to action, which is to take you to the contact us page, and obviously all of the text, all of the images, even all of the sections you see on the pages are fully customizable in Framer. You can take what you need and leave what you don't need. And that is the magic of downloading our themes. And then I'll quickly show you our second homepage, which goes for a more centralized view. So we have our hero section, which is center aligned, a big CTA. We have a nice slow moving carousel of case studies, and a similar vibe to the first homepage, just a little bit different layout of case studies. And we've built in all these beautiful hover effects and everything for you to work with it straight out of the box. And then if I jump over into our works, which works as your case studies page, you can see we have the grid of work. And if you click on one of these, it will take you to a case study detail page. So this is one of our CMS collection pages. And you can see you can highlight any pieces of detail you'd like to. You can structure your case studies into challenges, solutions, outcomes, pulling in some of your important stats. And then we'll look at the blog page, which is news and articles, as you would expect. You can click into a blog post, you can feature an image, and then you can include all the content you need, images, and so on. And then lastly, I'll show you our contact us page, which uses Framer forms. At the moment, we have name, email, and message, but you can add as many fields as you need to get what you need from your users. And all these themes are available on the Framer Marketplace and also on coastalthemes.com. You can jump into Framer templates and you will find Shingu down here on the right. We also have a club access, which is all our themes, lifetime access, premium support, and access to new themes which we release. And that is a once-off payment, and you get all our themes there. And if you have any questions, you can drop a comment below this video and we will get back to you, or you can jump over to coastalthemes.com, hit contact us, we have some FAQs, or you can fill out our support form and we will get back to you as soon as possible with any questions. And that's it from me, and I will see you in our next video. Bye!